Hey guys, welcome to Watch Me First for week 8. So this week you have your assignment 4 that is due, and here is your assignment 4. The data sets for assignment 4 are right over here. I'm going to use a different color here to show these are the data sets. You actually do not need these data sets unless you are running the SPSS. I've already ran all of those and given you the tables. So you have your data sets here, you have your assignment, and this is your Dropbox for that thing. So for this assignment, you are going through three things: the independent sample t-test, the Mann-Whitney test, and the dependent sample t-test. I have made subfolders for each one of them so that it's easier for you guys to look at them. So let's look at a subfolder. So if you look at this subfolder, you have a document in this, you have a video, and then you have the data set. You basically, once again, I have already ran all the statistics and put the files and everything here. I've also explained how I ran the statistics in the video. You really don't need the data set, but if you want it, it is right there for you to run your own analysis. So you have the document and the video. There are no chapter readings. Hulk has some aspects of it, but I felt that these videos were enough for you guys to go through this week. So for each one of those, as I move down, you will see that for the Mann-Whitney, I have the document, the video, and then the data set. For the dependent t-test, I have the document, video, and the t-test. And when you open up your assignment has, this is the same data sample that is there for the independent t-test. However, it is the next day, whereas the sample talks about 4 days later. So that is the difference between the samples. So you have this data set, and then here are your questions. So for section 1, which is the independent sample t-test and the Mann-Whitney, here are all your data tables. And I go through the data tables in the videos and talk about each of those. And then here is your dependent sample t-test, and here is your part about it. For the dependent sample t-test, you're basically writing the final report. How do you write the final report? I provide you a script of it, and I'll show you that aspect. So if you look at the document, and I explain each and every part of the script also. So here is the script for the assumptions, and then when you go down, you're going to see a script for the final thing. Now, one of the things is there are two documents that you had in your previous folder, the week 7 folder, which is your what analysis. I'm going to mark them so that you guys can actually see which ones I'm talking about. What analysis to do and the assumptions. These two documents, you're going to be using them continuously as we are doing all of these assignments. So keep these two documents and this one very handy. I have not uploaded them again in week 8. You will be needing these two basically for week 8. These are also should be there in your documents, but they're handy in week 7. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. All right. So this is your Watch Me First. Need to exit, which is going to be posted right on the very top over here. Okay. Bye.